In this video tutorial, we are going to explore how to use the accessibility features in Read and Write for Google Chrome within Google Forms. Students will be able to use the text-to-speech features to have text read aloud and the writing tools to annotate within the Google form. So let's take a look at a Google form to see how these tools can be accessed. So now we are in a Google form, and the first thing we're going to look at is how to access the text-to-speech. And there are 3 different ways you can utilize it. The first is your hover speech. When you click on that, what it allows you to do is it allows you to click anywhere within the document and it will start reading it from there. So if I click hover speech and on box number 2,
What does the sun cause the water to do? Evaporate, condensate, rain.
it will start reading wherever I have clicked it. When you're done, you just click on hover speech and it will turn off. You can also highlight the text that you want to have read aloud and use the play, pause, and stop buttons.
Today I will learn about your answer. What does the sun cause the water to do?
And because I have continuous reading turned on as the default, it will continue reading until I press the pause or the stop button. So that feature traditionally works with text that the teachers have typed into the Google form. Now, what if you take some text either from a website or a PDF, or you take a screenshot and insert it in? When I come to my hover speech and click on this third box,
Captionless image. Option 1.
it says captionless image. So basically, what it is telling you and the student is that this is an image, it is not a text document. So, in order to access text that is an image, you're going to click on your screenshot reader and you'll now have a plus sign. The student will create a box around the text that they want to have read aloud and it will do an OCR conversion.
Viewed from space, one of the most striking features of our home planet is the water.
Within the box, you have your play, pause, and stop button.
In both liquid and frozen forms, that covers approximately 75% of the Earth's surface.
When the student is done, they can press the stop button and then they click on the X and the screenshot reader box has disappeared. So this is a nice feature because it will allow the student to read both accessible and inaccessible text that is placed in the Google form. Now, when the student has to start annotating within it, so today I will learn about, and your answer that the teacher's looking for is the water cycle. The student can traditionally type within it, or they can turn on the word prediction feature. So when I click on the prediction icon, you'll see that my word prediction box pops up. In this example, I have it set to 6 words showing up in the box, and I also have the predict ahead feature turned on. So if I wanted to write, today I will learn about the T, and then you just hover and click water, water, and then cycle. I'm gonna CIKLE, and cycle came up, and I click that. And then when the student is done, they come back to their prediction icon and they click on it to turn it off. Students can also use the talk and type feature to access the document with speech to text. When they click on it, the water cycle, you'll notice that it will insert the text that I have just said aloud into the document. So I hope that this video helped demonstrate how students can use the premium license of Read and Write for Google Chrome to use the text-to-speech features to have the form read aloud and to use the prediction and talk and type features to annotate within the video. Thank you.